Samsung's One UI 7 update, based on Android 15, is set to bring a range of new features and optimizations to the Galaxy A15, enhancing both performance and usability for budget-friendly Samsung users. The update introduces a refreshed design with smoother animations, improved widgets, and a more intuitive quick panel, making navigation easier and more efficient. Samsung is also focusing on battery optimizations, security enhancements, and AI-powered smart features, ensuring that even entry-level devices like the Galaxy A15 benefit from a more refined software experience. While flagship devices like the Galaxy S25 series have already received One UI 7, the Galaxy A15 is expected to get the update later in 2025, likely between July and September, following Samsung's usual update timeline for budget devices. Since update rollouts happen gradually based on region and carrier, some users might receive it earlier than others. To stay updated, Galaxy A15 users should regularly check the software update section in Settings or enable automatic updates. One UI 7 will make the Galaxy A15 feel faster, smoother, and more modern, bringing a premium touch to Samsung's entry-level smartphone lineup.